Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular tutorial, we are going to see again very important topic which you need very frequently when you are coding is, let's say you have a Python dictionary and you wanted to convert the elements of those dictionary into a official JSON. So for that, let me just create this Python file named as dict to JSON, and let's try to begin the program. So before we do anything, we have to import this JSON module, and because we need to convert the Python dictionary into the JSON. So basically, let's create the customer dictionary and name it as customer dict is equal to, basically this dict will always go into this curly brackets. Let's say id as 1 2 3 4, anything. I'm just keeping the random name. First name as Tom. Okay, I have to give comma here. Then last name as, let's say, all. Then I'll give the city as Manchester, and let's say email address as tom@gmail.com. Yeah. Now to convert this dictionary into a JSON, what you need to do is, let's say we want to make a customer underscore JSON. You will have to use this JSON dot dumps method. So basically, if you see here, there are two dump methods that Python gives you. One is dump without s and another one is dumps with s. And what's the difference is, whenever you wanted to write any JSON into a file or so, then you always go with dump, a one without s. But whenever you wanted to convert your dictionary into a JSON, then you go with this dumps method. Just pass the customer directory and you are good to go. And now if you just print this customer JSON, it should ideally give you the results. So let's try to run this, and if you see, this is the official JSON. If you represent this customer, like, let me print the dictionary for you as well, customer dict, and I'll just comment this out. So if you see the representation of these two, it is exactly the same. But formally, if you need to pass JSON anywhere, then it is better if you just convert it into the JSON using the json.dumps and then use it wherever you need it. Okay, this is very important to understand how to use json.dumps. So that's why this tutorial. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.